What's up everyone? I'm gonna be making this video to show you how I wired the LED bar on my Mercedes CL500. So I didn't find any information on where if there is a positive terminal in the front of the car. I didn't find any information on how to pass the wires through. My friend previously installed the LED bar on his E350 and he used the wires, he routed them to the trunk and put them through the speaker, but I really didn't want to do that. So what I did is I came to the passenger side and I started digging around. This is another fuse box. Oh, and the reason why I didn't try the driver's side is because the wiring harness that I have isn't long enough. Maybe if you have a longer one, you can do what I'm gonna show you now through the driver's side, which might be easier, but I did it through the passenger side. So as you can see, here's the plug that plugs into the LED bar. It's already here, I can reach it down there. So as you can see, it goes through here. So what I did to get it through is, the first thing I did is make this pretty shitty stick. Then I got just a wire. You could use a rope, honestly, like a thin rope, but I didn't have any, so I just cut a USB wire and then I zip tied it to that. So with the stick, I slowly pushed it down that way. As you can see, there is light down there, so that's how you know things coming through. So if you go down here, the reason I did it also to the passenger side is because there's a positive terminal here, so I don't have to route it all the way back to the battery. So when I got down here and I took all this off, you just pull the carpet back and then you take some plastic nuts out to take that metal piece out. When I came down here, I quickly saw that it's really hard. As I was saying, when I came down here, it's very hard for me to fit the camera there, but if you move your head good enough, I saw light coming through, so that's how I knew I could, fit this wire through there. So I just fed it through there, and then I'll just get the wiring harness, put the positive and positive, negative and negative, and then I'll just wire the harness either through somewhere back there so I can have the switch over there. But yeah, that's how I did it. I didn't find any other videos on how to do this. I just kind of thought of it myself. This is coming out of the fuse box, so I'm gonna have to drill a little hole to pass this wire through and seal it so water doesn't get in, because I'm not sure if this will close. Here there's a little gap, so maybe I could figure something out, but most likely I'm just gonna drill a little hole here and just pass the wire through there. So yeah guys, I wanted to show you that. I'll probably show you the finished product. I'm gonna cut the video and I'll probably show you how it looks at the end. So yeah. Alright guys, I got it completely installed now. There it is. I'll turn on the car for you guys so you can see it on. Guys, it was pretty easy. I just routed it just through this side, put some zip ties, see it right there, put some zip tie there, zip ties here, and yeah, just like kind of snugged it on this side. It's pretty easy. The hardest part is the first part I showed you guys how to get it through. I still have this just laying here from there, you see. I might put it, I might not. I don't plan on keeping this car for too long, so I might just have it here for now, and then when I get another car, maybe I'll do a better job. Yeah guys, that's all. Thanks for watching.